Look at, are you done?
Okay, yeah.
You, oh, you're okay. Okay.
Okay.
One more. Let me get one
Okay,
more.
Molly.
Alright, get your camera out of the picture.
There you go. All right. Ride it, girlfriend. Ride it. Say, giddy up.
Mom, hold on, okay?
You gonna take this one home, Jason? Yes. Look at you.
Don't be difficult now. Come on. Is that fun?
All right, Molly, you're riding a horse. Yeah, you're riding a horse. You just turned 2 a month ago. Look at you, Molly. You're riding a horse. Oh, boy.
Is that fun? Look at her tongue. That's so cute. You want to go around again?
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Sonny D. Quit. Come on.
Okay, here we go, honey.
Come on. You're not getting any dry.
Oh, Sunny D is hungry. It's lunchtime for Sunny D, Molly.
That's the only treat I got. It's so funny because when I go in the pen to catch them, treats in my pocket, and they can smell really good, so all of them
Oh.
I'm picking out the smells of all of them gathering around.
He's a
Can you
black
say
horsey.
Sonny D? That's his name. No more.
Molly, this horse's name is Sunny D. Can you say Sunny D, Molly?
You want to stand back and get a picture and I'll hold her?
Okay.
Yay, Molly!
We're doing 2 at a time.
2 at a time. Yeah, I was just holding. Doodle bug, look up one more time.
Got my camera under my arm.
Molly. Wait, Jacob, don't take the pony away.
Okay, come on over.